Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm really excited to have you with me to do a little unboxing today of this awesome little package that I got from Alienware Oz containing the brand new X15 gaming laptop. So let's get into it. I was really excited about this laptop when I saw it get announced in about June or July of this year, and I really wanted to get my hands on one. So thank you to Alienware Oz for making this possible and sending out this unit of the Alienware X15. So let's get into it. Let's crack in. And we're in. Hello. Oh, there's a note for me even. There is a note for me. How cool is that? Hello. We are very excited to add the X factor to your gaming experience with the new Alienware X15, a super cool machine. It does have 4 fans after all that breaks physical limitations to power through gaming marathons. We hope you enjoy this new addition to your Alienware setup. That's so sweet. Isn't that just cool? Okay, so now let's get into the, nitty gritty of the actual unboxing and into the laptop. Inside the box, you've got a compartment, which I think that contains the laptop. You've got your power cables in here. So this is our lovely little laptop. All right, let's have a little look. Oof, ooh, I love that. Ooh, I love that little opening. Check that out. That's some really sick, sleek packaging, I gotta say. I love the details on the sides here. That is absolutely gorgeous. But now we are into the thick of it with the actual laptop now. So let's take the laptop, which got more protective packaging. And here we are. Wow, this thing is thin. Wow, that is thin. Wow. And there you have the Alienware X15 right in front of your eyes. I'm certainly going to be keeping this box though, I think. That's a pretty cool box. I can't really actually get over how thin this thing actually genuinely is. This is actually quite wild. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got. Oof, beautiful. Okay, you got protective stuff for the keyboard, of course. I really like the way, oh, it's actually coming straight on right now. Not expect to turn on, but I love the trackpad straight away upon opening the device and all the RGB. One of the major features with this laptop was the trackpad and the color contrast from the outside. You've got the lunar light on the outside and the dark side of the moon color on the inside. So there's no color options with this laptop. You get the beautiful white on the outside and the beautiful black dark tone on the inside. So you get the best of both worlds essentially, which is something that I absolutely love. The trackpad is obviously a huge feature in this model of the Alienware X series laptop, and it's a really neat feature. That's really cool. I really love the trackpad. First inspection, you see the vents down the side here, which this is an interesting touch that I didn't notice on the previous model. I think if you saw my M17 R3 review last year, you may potentially have seen that these side vents were not featured. They had the top vents, the top hexagonal vents, but they did not have these side vents. This is a very great thin laptop. I can't really get over this. I hadn't even looked at the backside yet. The RGBs are just gorgeous again. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look at a little bit at the sides of the computer. So you've got nothing on this side of the computer. You've got, so you do. You actually have a headphone jack all the way up the back. Here is a little headphone jack. And then you got, I think this is your power connector here. You don't have any USB ports along the sides of the machine. They've put everything along the back of the machine. They've got a HDMI port along the back, a USB-C, an SD slot, another USB-C, and a regular USB Type A port. I actually do really like the sleekness of the design of not actually having any USBs along the side. I'm interested to see how that is for practicality, as to whether or not it's very practical having that. But I very much so love this computer on first impressions, and I'm excited to check more out with this computer. I did check out the specs list prior to filming this video as to see what this computer had, which you can do through your service tag. This computer has an i7-11800H Intel Core processor, which is the exact same processor that my current computer, the Aurora R11, has, which is just mind-bogglingly amazing. The GPU is also a 3080 laptop, which is just phenomenal, and I'm really excited to see how the 3080 performs in gaming on a laptop. I'm really excited to see that. So let's have a little look-see at the battery pack wall. Cortana tries and yells at me. So inside the box, you've got your split cables again, which is great. This battery pack is really nicely designed, I've got to say. I really do like the design on this battery pack. The M17 R3s was nice, don't get me wrong, but this certainly design is very nice, very different to last year's model. There's another section in here as well. Oh yeah, there is another section as well. Oh, what is this? Okay, so I didn't actually realize what this is. So this is a USB-C connector, which actually can then double as your Ethernet connection, which is quite an interesting concept. I actually didn't notice when I first picked up the computer that it doesn't actually have an Ethernet port on the machine. I didn't actually realize that. It totally went over my head straight away. But they've included an Ethernet adapter into it. But they know, obviously, we're gamers where if we sit in one spot for a long period of time, we're going to play over Ethernet as against Wi-Fi. So that's a really good inclusion to see that. But that about does it for my unboxing of the Alienware X15 gaming laptop. I will be making a full-blown review video, just like I do for any of my gaming laptops here on the channel, in the next week or so. So do keep a lookout for that. Let me know in the comments section if you have a specific game you'd like me to check out, because now is the perfect time to let me know what you'd like to see me test out on it. If you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the unboxing, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you can see when my Alienware X15 review goes up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your time zone, and until next time, bye bye.